I asked ChatGPT how to use ChatGPT to make money online. The results are surprisingly pretty good. For those who don't know, ChatGPT is a natural language processing tool that allows you to generate human-like text based on a given prompt. It's been used for everything from chatbot development to creative writing, and I found it to be an incredibly useful tool in my own online endeavors. So I asked ChatGPT the question, how can I make money using ChatGPT? And here's what it came up with. Here are 10 potential ways you could use ChatGPT, a text-generating language model, to make money. 1. Content creation. ChatGPT can be used to generate unique and engaging content for websites, social media, and other platforms. You could use this to offer content creation services to businesses or individuals. 2. Social media management. You could use ChatGPT to help manage the social media accounts of businesses or individuals, using the model to generate posts and respond to comments. 3. Copywriting. ChatGPT could be used to generate compelling copy for sales pages, emails, and other marketing materials. 4. Ebook writing. You could use ChatGPT to write ebooks on a variety of topics, which you could then sell on platforms like Amazon. 5. Translation. ChatGPT could be used to translate written content from one language to another, which you could then sell to businesses or individuals in need of translation services. 6. Proofreading. You could use ChatGPT to assist with proofreading and editing tasks, offering your services to individuals or businesses. 7. Virtual assistant. You could use ChatGPT to offer virtual assistant services, using the model to complete tasks like scheduling appointments, answering emails, and more. 8. Customer service. ChatGPT could be used to handle customer service inquiries and resolve issues for businesses, freeing up human staff to handle more complex tasks. 9. Market research. You could use ChatGPT to conduct market research, gathering insights and feedback from customers and other stakeholders. 10. Idea generation. ChatGPT could be used to generate ideas for new products, services, or business concepts, which you could then sell to businesses or individuals looking for creative inspiration. I thought this was a really interesting suggestion, and it got me thinking about all the different ways ChatGPT could be used to generate income. Some ideas that come to mind include creating and selling chatbot templates, offering ChatGPT-powered content creation services to businesses, or even using it to write and sell ebooks. The possibilities are endless, and I'm excited to see what other creative ways people come up with to make money using ChatGPT. So, if you're looking for a new stream of income or just want to experiment with a cool new tool, definitely give ChatGPT a try and see what it can do for you. Thanks for watching, and be sure to leave a comment with your own ideas for making money with ChatGPT. Don't forget to subscribe